guys, welcome to my video. Today we have a new song. It's pretty cool, it's pretty fast, pretty awesome, also kind of pretty hard. It's Zach is Black. Very freaking black. So in this song, it's kinda soothing to the ears. That was the goal we were looking for here. Soothing. Okay, let's start with the main riff. The main riff is a D major 7. So just a D bar chord, but you move the middle finger to this 6th fret on the G. This is called a D major 7. Then the second chord, we keep the same fingers except the pinky. We move the pinky to the 7th fret of the high E string. Third chord, we move the pinky finger to the 9th fret of the B. And then in the last chord, we move the pinky finger to the 9th fret of the high E. So all together, it's pretty awesome. But the real crazy part is the strumming. It's just this funky strumming. You just gotta feel the strumming to get it right. So when you strum, okay, now for the verse. So in the verse, it's their usual D major 7. They add an A. You can add some embellishments or whatever in the E to add the extra tension. If you can't do that, you can do the open chord version. Now, for the chorus. The chorus is quite simple. So you do a D major 7, and then you do a B flat minor 7, which is just B minor, but without the pinky finger. And then you go to F sharp minor, which is just the B minor shape on the 9th fret. Then you can add embellishment. My freaking pig fell. I mean, that's all you really need, guys. With enough practice makes perfect. So if you practice enough, you'll be amazing. This is me with a new song, Zach's Black. Make sure to listen to it. Make sure to listen to Swag Boy. Peace.